Most people want to look rich. Few people want to become wealthy, and even fewer want to build legacy. There's a difference. Luxury impresses people today. Legacy impacts people tomorrow. Luxury is the car. Legacy is the investment that pays for your child's education. Luxury is the designer watch. Legacy is the business that feeds your family for generations. Here's the truth. If your income stopped today, would your lifestyle survive? Or would everything collapse? That question separates luxury from legacy. Legacy thinking starts with this principle. Money is not for showing off. Money is for building systems. Let me break it down into 3 practical lessons you can apply immediately. Lesson 1. Buy assets before upgrading your lifestyle. Instead of upgrading your phone every year, upgrade your skills, upgrade your investments, upgrade your income streams. Assets pay you, luxury costs you. Lesson 2. Think long-term, not loud. Luxury is loud. Legacy is quiet. Luxury gets applause. Legacy builds ownership. Invest in things that grow quietly. Businesses, stocks, skills, digital products, real estate. You don't need to look wealthy. You need to become financially independent. Lesson 3. Build something that outlives you. Ask yourself this question. If I disappear tomorrow, what continues? Is it debt or is it income? Is it liabilities or is it ownership? Legacy means your effort today funds someone else's tomorrow. That is real power. Here's the mindset shift. Luxury says, I deserve to enjoy my money now. Legacy says, I deserve freedom later. And freedom is the highest form of wealth. Freedom to choose, freedom to rest, freedom to give, freedom to say no. When you prioritize legacy over luxury, something powerful happens. You stop competing, you stop comparing, you start building. Small investments become big opportunities. Small discipline becomes financial strength. Small sacrifices become generational wealth. Remember this, looking rich is temporary. Being wealthy is sustainable. But building legacy, that is transformational. So before you buy the next status symbol, ask yourself, will this multiply or will this impress? Choose multiplication. Choose ownership. Choose legacy over luxury. And if you're serious about building wealth that lasts, subscribe, and start building something that outlives you. Because one day, your name won't matter. But what you built will. Think beyond today. Invest beyond yourself. Build beyond comfort. Your future generations are depending on decisions you make now. Choose legacy.